Look at that. Ah, it's yummy.
Nick.
Oh, yeah.
Look at your thumb. Look at your thumb.
Oh, wait, it's off.
Okay, Nick.
That must
Thank
feel
you.
so good just to...
Just let him do it, guys.
Remember when we were a baby and we did that? No.
Mmm. Here, look, he's got
Can
better.
I have a little taste?
He got better frosting than us.
No, don't.
Eat it, Kay. Let the boys have a taste.
Mmm.
Okay, now your turn.
Your turn.
Just let Nick.
No, just
Nick.
leave it there.
Mmm.
Okay, no more,
Like
guys.
that.
He'll grab a bite.
Like that.
I think he's too worried about the kids around him.
Ah, he's doing fine.
Behind me.
I think he's doing fine.
Have a seat, guys.
He's pounding it. Can I share one for you? Yeah.
Oh, what's in that cake, Caleb?
It's yummy.